Okay, we have an easy path lathe made by Bridgeport Romi. Serial number 002081587-325. This machine was made in 1996 and we're gonna run it for you. Machine is original paint. It is super clean. He's running the manual hand wheel and it works as a digital readout. It's a pulse generator. Also the other axes. You have a spindle is wrapping the axes back and forth. That's the X and the Z. You have 16.5-inch swing by 40-inch centers. You have 8.6 inches over the cross slide. That's a Dorian tool post on the machine. You have a 6-jaw buck chuck. You also have a steady rest with the machine. The tool post has a lot of extra holders, quick change tool post holders. We're going to change the spindle speed. We're in a high RPM, 1,000. Machine is super quiet. Again, this is original paint. That's the spindle brake. All right, and that's another speed. So you saw a high speed, a medium speed, a low speed. Let's show the tailstock. The tailstock is a number 4 Morse taper with 6.3 inches of travel. Again, this machine is pretty close to original condition. All right, hey, thank you for watching our video.